Team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake Up my canal. So in today's video, we are going to do an office chair unboxing. So I went to the Ikea to get an office chair because normally when I sit down to edit, I either sit on the couch or sometimes I will take one of their dining chair to sit down on so I can edit. But you know, when you're sitting down for a very long time, you really need something more comfortable, and the dining chair is not as comfortable, especially when you are sitting for a longer period to edit a video. So I was like, you know what, God is good all the time. And I was like, you know what, the purpose of making videos, the reason of making videos, getting small things from the videos is also for me to invest in myself and get things that will help me to improve my working skills. So I decided to go to the IKEA to get this office chair. It's not the most comfortable, it's not the most best office chair, but for now it does this job. And also, what I was thinking, my office area is also in my living room, so I don't want to get a very big office chair that will take the space in my living room, because I want my living room to still be a living room. And if you guys know me, sometimes I get sick and tired of things very quickly. So I didn't wanted to invest into like a very expensive office chair, and then at the end of the day, me being like, you know what, I don't like it anymore. Because trust me, that does happen to me. I change my mind when it comes to things I used to decorate the house very quickly. So I was like, this one is perfect. So I went to the IKEA and I purchased this one. It wasn't that really expensive. It was like 70 euros for this chair. Before, this chair was less cheaper, but you guys know now everything has become so expensive in Holland. So yeah, it is what it is. I got this chair, but I got this chair with company money. So it's amifullest money. It's still my money, but it's not like coming from my own personal bank account. So yeah, but it's still for me. It's still like me investing in my craft. And with this kind of chair, you can actually how you say in English, instelling. You can raise it higher, you can raise it lower. So, and with the dining chair, you couldn't do that. So whenever I was sitting to edit on the dining chair, I was having like really back pain because the chair is a little bit low, and sometimes I really want to, like, I want my face to be in the in the laptop, because editing, sometimes when you make mistakes, I hate making mistake after you have done with the editing, and then you are watching at the video, you realize that you have made mistake and then you have to redo it again. That can be very annoying sometimes. So that's why you guys see my video editing skills is just one cut, one go. It's not like too much. In the future we'll get there, but for now I am doing everything by myself, so I just have to do what works for me. So yeah, that it is what it is. So I'm listening to music whilst I'm working, because that's the reason why I didn't really do a talk through. I didn't really talk through during the video, because I wanted to have something that is giving me the vibes, just having fun. Because today I actually did a lot of things. Yeah, I did a lot of things, and I was like, you know what, the weather is nice. I was in a very good mood. I was super happy, because the last few days I was in my lady time, end of the month, and when that period comes, I am super annoyed. I'm super mad at everyone in the house. Even if you didn't do anything to me, trust me, you're gonna feel my rock. You're gonna feel it, because I just, like, anything and everything just annoyed me. So that period was gone, and whenever I'm out of that period, I'm out of that stage, I feel so good. I feel like myself again. I can just do things, because during that time I feel really sick. I have a lot of stomach pain. It's very heavy on me. So I don't really feel motivated, and I really don't do anything. I just want to lie down in bed, drink tea, watch Netflix and chill. That's all I want to do. So now we are over that, and I was feeling really happy. I was feeling really good. So I thought, you know what? Now it's time for me to do all the things that I wanted to do, because I've got this chair now for a couple of days now. The same thing when it comes to the compost bin. I've got it now for a while now, but just that, yeah, I wasn't in the right energy to fix everything together. So today I was like, yeah, I'm feeling much more better. It's quite very easy to fix. You guys just watch the videos. Like I said, I'm not somebody who is into building, but for one reason or the other, whenever I buy stuff like this in the store and it has instructions, I know how to do them. Like, I'm very handy when it comes to stuff like this. So you just follow the instruction and you do it. It's not that difficult to do. As long as you follow the instruction, it's very, very easy to do. And this chair was very, very simple to fix together. And I just loved it. So yeah, and I thought the color was perfect with the living room, because they have different colors there. But I thought this gray matches my living room, because I didn't want anything super bright color. The only bright color I have in the living room right now is the painting that my wife did for me on my 30th birthday. You will see it on the wall. I love that. It's beautiful. That's the only bright thing that is in my living room. Everything else is just neutral. It's just neutral colors, and that's my vibe. So I thought this color will perfectly match with the colors I have in the living room. So that's why I went for this particular gray color. And after seeing everything, the finished results, seeing how everything looked, and I was like, yeah, it was really worth it, because it's just amazing. It's really, really beautiful. So I'm just trying to fix everything together. By this time you guys have seen this video, I've already used the chair. So if I'm talking like telling you guys how comfortable the chair is, then you know it's very, very comfortable. I really, really liked it. You can like lift it higher, you can put it lower. As you guys can see me testing it, you can put it higher, you can leave it low. I love the fact that you can turn around. When you are sitting, you can be moving around, and I loved it. So the only thing is, now on this video, you guys are seeing the little carpet on the floor, but maybe in my previous videos you guys will not see the carpet on the floor. So the carpet on the floor is going, but for now it's just staying there. So for now it's just staying there till I find something to replace it. But the carpet on the floor is going. I'm going to look for, I don't know how to call it in English, but like this plastic rock. It's like this, when you have an office chair, you have this thing that you put underneath so that it doesn't really like spoil the floor, or like this kind of mark. I don't know. I'll show you guys when I purchase that one. I'll do a video and show you guys when I'm doing unboxing on that particular one. So the carpet is going, and I'm going to purchase something else to put underneath there so that the chair doesn't slide easily like that. But I really, really loved it. It was really comfortable. I loved it. I love the height. I love the color. I just love the way it looks. And I noticed that since I got the chair, I really sit on that office area a lot to edit my videos, to print out documents, to print out payments, because every time I get paid, I have to print out the payments on your Google AdSense account. If you're a YouTuber, you already know your Google AdSense account. When the money is paid, you will have a receipt there showing you how much you earned this month. I like to print those things out and put them in the file, so when it's time for me to do my tax reports, I can just bring everything out and be like, okay, this and this is how much I earn monthly, and calculate everything together. Then I know how much I earn throughout the year, throughout the months, for like from January to December. Then I know, okay, this is how much I make. It's more easy like that than going through your bank statements trying to see how much you make every single month. So I like to print everything out, and I sit there more often. I like to organize it. And also whenever I purchase something, for example, I purchased this chair right now. It's for work. I purchased it with, due to business money. The receipt, I have to make a copy of the receipt, because sometimes the receipt that you get in the store, the ink end up drying, or the ink end up, like, sometimes if you watch out the receipt paper, the ink is faded, everything is just faded, and when it's time to do your tax reports, you cannot see the tax number, like the BTV. We call it here the BTV, because everything you buy here, you get BTV. You cannot see that BTV number, and that is very important when you are doing tax reports, because that BTV that you are paying for the chair, you get that money back from the government, from the tax headquarter, whatever. You get it back. So I like to, whenever I purchase something, I like to immediately come to the printer, scan it, or send it to my email immediately, or just print it out, put it in the file, and I will take the original receipt and clip it together. So in case end of the year the original receipt has faded, I still have the one that I've printed, and the BTV number is there, so it's easy for tax reports. Because yeah, as you're growing, you're learning more about things, you're learning more, you're finding a different way how to do it. And I also have a job, I have this, I have family to take care of, so I'm just looking for ways to make life a little bit easier for myself. And I love doing what I do, and so yeah, I'm just finding ways to make it more easier. So guys, this is it. This is the chair. I loved it. It's beautiful, and I've been enjoying it since I purchased it. I've been really enjoying it. It's amazing. I hope you all like this video. I'm super excited. It's just happy when you're working so hard and finally you are seeing the progress of your handwork, and you can invest more into yourself. I just loved it. So yeah, this is the video. I hope you all like it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye.